If gravity sleeps for 1 second, the whole earth becomes a flying disaster. 1 second without the sun's energy would freeze millions of lives. Nature is so perfectly balanced that one disturbed second could end centuries. We don't survive by strength, we survive because nature obeys Allah every second. If air stopped moving for 1 second, silent death would travel faster than sound. 1 second of Earth rotation change could destroy ocean and cities. The universe doesn't need wars, one broken second is enough. Nature doesn't forgive mistakes, it only follows divine laws. Every heartbeat depends on invisible force we never see. We are alive not by luck, but by perfect control of the universe. If gravity blinks, humanity disappears. This world is stable only because Allah never sleeps. Allah Hafiz, I have life lesson notes in PDF format which I want to sell to you people who want to learn life hack and make their life easier. For more detail, contact me. Assalamu alaikum.